We're doing planter evaluations on corn today. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like and why we do it. Corn is in the baby stages yet, but we are going to come in here and count how many collars are on this corn to determine the stage. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this corn is going to be V4. It's not about how many leaves are on the plant, it's about how many collars are on that plant. Now that I've got a rough idea of where the stage is at among the field, I'm going to count out where 10 plants should be. And I say should be because there could be skips or doubles, and that counts as part of the planter evaluation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These two are a little close together, but it does not count as a double. Doubles are when they're like right next to each other. This space would count as a skip to me, so I'm going to dig it up and see if there's actually seed in there. In trying to find the seed, we can determine if it's an actual skip or if it's just seed that went bad and didn't have enough oomph to get out. Maybe that one was working on coming out, but it would have been way behind these other guys. We've determined if it's a skip or just a rotted seed. I'm going to put that in my notes, and then I'm also going to count how many corn plants are behind V4 or ahead of V4. Most of the time you can do this just by looking at it, but this one, for example, is still at V4 even though it's shorter because there's going to be that one little collar that's below the ground that was the first true leaf right there. Height does not equal stage. So these are all looking like they're in V4 because they have 4 true collars. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do this at 10 different spots per field, and the app that we use creates an average of how many skips, leaf ahead, leaf behind, and doubles there were throughout the field, which we can then turn into a percent and share with the farmer. It's important to know where the staging is at on this corn because if you have a lot of leaf ahead or leaf behind, it can cause problems at pollination, which causes problems for the rest of the maturity of that corn. We call this a planter evaluation because the uniformity of this crop comes down to how good of a job the planter is doing. If there's not good seed to soil contact, there's not uniformity in where the seeds are being placed, there's not consistent depth, that is all going to affect how this crop emerges and how it matures. So by looking through the field in multiple different spots, we can see if there's any major issues, let the farmer know, and hopefully improve for next year.